Have you heard of the Live the Adventure Club?
If you're a member, you've already received your summer box. And if not, well, we're going to show you what's in it.
The first thing you'll find in your box is a camping blanket. Ooh, so cozy.
And a portable grill from Adventurous Outdoors.
Next, you'll find a mosquito killer lantern.
Plus, this awesome hydration bladder.
Yum, RX bar.
Nice pocket cocktails from Bar Country.
The Forever Match.
And Purica Magnesium Effervescent. Plus, your summer 2019 issue of Explore magazine and the summer challenges. Compete in these to win amazing prizes.
Join us in the Live the Adventure Club and start living your most adventurous life.